What sets Florida Academy apart from other schools is we have a lot to offer by giving the students a solid foundation with terminology, anatomy, and physiology, as well as hands-on experience, drawing blood, injections. Here in the school for 40 weeks, it's 4 10-week terms. We've got a built-in 160-hour externship course. They get their nursing kit, which includes their stethoscope, their sphygmometer, their pulse ox, refractor. We've got a multifunctional mannequin that you can draw blood, you can do injections, change the genitalia, you can give it a trach. And they also do get a Chromebook because we do all of our learning through the Chromebook. They have ebooks, so we go a little bit more into depth versus other programs. We do teach them life skills as well as how to succeed in college, and we also teach them like medical math, pharmacology. Some programs don't even offer an externship, so we give more back to the students to be able to go out there and succeed in what they're doing and feel confident.